If you are getting the Nintendo Switch and error has occurred error, we have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your console. Hold down the power button for 3 seconds. Select power options, then restart. If the console does not respond, hold down the power button for 12 seconds to force it shut down and then turn it back on. Method 2. Check for system updates. Ensure that your console has the latest system version. From the home menu of your Nintendo Switch, open System Settings. Scroll down to System and select it. Select System Update. Your device will start checking for the latest available update and automatically download it. You can check for the current version of the update displayed under the System Update button. Method 3. Check for corrupt data. In System Settings, navigate to Data Management, then select Manage Software. Choose the problematic software and select Check for corrupt data. Wait for the process to complete and then see if this could fix the issue. Method 4. Delete and re-download software. If the above steps don't work, you may need to delete the problematic software and re-download it from the Nintendo eShop. To uninstall a game or application, from the home menu, select System Settings. Scroll down and select Data Management. On the right-hand side, select Manage Software. Choose the game or application you want to uninstall. Select Delete Software. Confirm by selecting Delete when prompted. To reinstall a game or application, open the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. Click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to re-download. Find the game or application you want to reinstall and select the download button next to it. Remember, deleting a game will not delete your saved data, which is tied to your Nintendo account. You can re-download the game anytime and resume from where you left off. Method 5. Clear Nintendo Switch cache. The accumulated cache on your Nintendo Switch can be corrupted, and due to this, you may encounter error code 2123-1502 on Nintendo Switch. So, clear the cache and check if this can fix the error. Open System Settings and click on the System tab. Select Formatting options as shown below. Next, select Reset Cache to clear all cache and cookies. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 6. Delete saved data. Select System Settings. Then head to Data Management and select it. Then tap on Delete Save Data from the right pane. Now delete some of your saved data. Method 7. Update the game or application manually. Sometimes updating the game or application manually can fix the error on Nintendo Switch. From your home screen and select the problematic app or game. Make sure not to launch it. Press the Add button of your controller and then click on the Software Update option. Go to the right panel and click on Via the Internet option. Wait for the process to get completed. Afterward, check if you are getting the Nintendo error again. Method 8. Charge the battery. Connect your AC adapter to your Nintendo Switch and wait for 15 to 20 minutes until the battery charges. Then, press and hold the power button for at least 12 seconds. Press the power button once to turn the console back on. Method 9. Contact Nintendo support. If you have tried these steps and the issue persists, it may be best to contact Nintendo support for further assistance. You can click on this link and select the console you are using. Then select the issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. You can also book for a repair and follow the on-screen guide. Make sure You back up any important save data before attempting these solutions to prevent data loss. And there you have it. The methods to fix Nintendo Switch and error has occurred error. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.